Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Quarantine Cruise 40, if you can believe it. I mean, yeah, over 3 years of Quarantine Cruise. It's still called that. I know there's no quarantine going on, but it's good to remember what we went through, right? So I'm in the Tech booth. If you're new to the channel, I just did an installation for timing control using Tech. I also just did a CDI box, so capacitive discharge ignition. And those of you who don't know, I built my own car, which is right here. So my dad bought this car brand new. I was delivered from the hospital when I was born in it, same with my sister. So it means a lot. I did the paint, I did everything. So that's what my channel is all about. It's not only about cruises, it's mainly about how to work on your muscle car and give you guys some tips and tricks. Now, something new for the channel, and you guys that follow the channel, I have turned on the join button. And it's not because I'm greedy, it's because I think the Google algorithm looks for channels that has that join button on. So if you want to support the channel, go for it. I appreciate you. But today we're gonna go shoot some cars. I don't know if I'm gonna get any rolling shots today because I have to get home earlier than normal. That's what happens when you have a family. So guys, kick back, enjoy, but most importantly, leave a comment of what your favorite car is below, or your favorite aspect of any car for other people to comment on. It's like a forum, ideas for your build. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go find some cars for you. Love the black unicorn. Whew, man, matte black, probably the hardest paint to paint and get flat. Love it. This is Eric 69, popping in the sun. Got a good spot, Eric. Modern GTO seats. What a fun toy. Second to that is this bad boy he just picked up. How many of you are jealous? Raise your hand. Hell yeah. Some more LS ideas. CVF front assembly. You guys want to see that? I know they have one for Pontiac. Just a fun car right here. Put on your dream list. Love the wheels, the black lips. Whew. I don't have a garage big enough for this. Clean. Sitting pretty. This looks like fun. An actual Chevy block. Keeping it old school. Here we go. Grand Prix, I think. Love the wheels, tires. Looking good. Who doesn't love a Rivy? See some workmanship. Hi, Jose, I see you. You guys follow Chris Decker. He's got a badass El Camino supercharged. This is his family ride. Super clean, Tech equipped, booster seats and everything. This is Ralph's awesome truck. I love the lowered C10s and all that stuff. Beautiful bed. So clean. This is Todd's badass Chevelle. I love the way it sits. Tires are insane. And hell yeah, I drive it. See the interior? Oh yeah. I love this ride because of the tires. Whew. A Camaro love for you all. Oh my God. Look at that. Damn. Okay, I told you guys I like lowered trucks. This one's got my attention. Damn. It's Sean's Grand Am. Got an LS7 in it. Looking smooth, brother. Yeah, bro. Have a good cruise. All right, Lindsay, say hi. My hero welder right there. Love the ride height. Oh my God. Holy bejesus. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Like I said, I'm not doing the cruise today because I got to go home. So, pretty barren parking lot now. It was like over 1,000 cars. But those of you who haven't seen the full walk around with the hood closed, let's do this. the green in the paint. It's green, not black. Alright, so guys, subscribe if you haven't, because the next project will blow your mind. I'm already creating something in my head where I need to 3D model something and fabricate using a 3D model, CAD software. So it should be fun. Again, subscribe, join the channel as a supporter, and we'll see you next time. Building fast, driving faster. See you.